Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So for today, we are going to make our famous Western chicken potato. So we are going to make our main dish or our main course, the Western chicken potatoes. So I'll be going to show you the ingredients and the procedures on how to cook our dish. So first, our ingredients is the main one, which is the potatoes. Second is our barbecue sauce with chicken shreds. Next is our cheese, which I have grated and I also have sliced it also. And we also have our butter or margarine, if you will. And then our parsley for garnish and for also the taste. And we also need salt and the Del Monte original blend ketchup. So you also need the ingredients to be mixed and passed before you cook para naman ay maging mas madali na yung gagawin ninyo for this dish. So let's get right into the next procedure or the first procedure for our Western chicken potatoes.
First, we are going to clean the potatoes. I have also cleaned this first. Right here, these are the 3 potatoes, but you can only use 2 if you want to, and I also have added another one for a bit of a mashed potatoes later on. Next is the potatoes. We are going to clean them and use a fork to poke out some little holes around the potato para naman lumalabas yung tenderness niya at the flavor. Then we are going to bake this, or you could also put it in your microwave if you have, but hindi tayo mayaman, so we are going to use an alternative oven or microwave. So after you have poked some little holes in your potatoes, that's fine. Now I am going to do the other one and I'll be right back.
This is my alternative oven. As you can see, we don't have any oven or microwave right here, so I'm going to use this one as an alternative for our oven or microwave. So I have used these 2 baking trays for like bibingka, and I also have this stand to put on the 2 trays above. Then I'm gonna place 1 potatoes on each tray right here. So ayun na nga, we are going to use this alternative baking or oven, and then you're gonna go and heat this for about 8 minutes or until it's tender. So now guys, we are going to do or to put on the flame right here. So we should put it on a medium heat for now, and let us wait for 8 minutes or until it's tender. Then we shall now go to our barbecue sauce. I am going to make another one, which I will be doing in mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna go and cut these in about small pieces and boil it in boiling water. Now let's cut this open. So now we are going to cut it in just small pieces. So we are going to cut it open first, and then cut it lengthwise, just small rectangular para mas madali siyang matunaw and mas madali siyang mag-cook. So yan, we have added water to our potatoes, and after that, this is just my technique. I am just going to put on a pinch of iodized salt para naman may lasa before ating potatoes. And then just that, and just leave it maya-maya, tapos we'll be going to cook our mashed potatoes. Okay, now guys, update on our alternative oven. Here they are. I have added a little bit of margarine, or use also butter. I also have sliced it too. I have put it in here. I have put it the potatoes, and naglagay na din ako ng salt. Then lalagay natin to siya in a heat. Okay, so right now, we are going to heat our mashed potatoes. So, lalagay na natin siya into a medium heat pa rin. And then, let us wait for it to boil. About around 5 to 7 minutes lang siya. Or until the potatoes are merely, soft na siya.
So guys, now that our potatoes are in the measure of 5 to 7 minutes or until it's tender. And right now, tender na siya guys. Pwede na natin siyang isa-strain at yung dudurugin na iba.
Pag natapos siya mag-strain guys, nalagay na siya dito sa bowl. Ngayon naman ay dudurugon natin to siya hanggang sa maging mashed potatoes. So kapag okay na siya, kukuha tayo ng butter, ng ating star margarine, or any margarine will do, or butter, and about a teaspoon, or a tablespoon. Tapos, mimix na natin siya with the margarine. After that, lalagay tayo ng salt. Atin siya salt. Then, pwede din kayo maglagay ng pepper or salt lang. To now cook our barbecue sauce with chicken shreds. And i-cook na natin siya guys. Lalagay natin siya lahat, of course. Ayan. Tapos, kaunting cheese. Tapos, a little bit din ng ating margarine or any butter will do. Para maging smooth siya. 2 teaspoons lang siya. Nilagay ko ng butter or margarine. Then, let's cook it in medium heat naman. Just para malito lang naman yung butter and then yung matunaw yung cheese. At let's go! So, ayan. Ano ba nung dish? So, ito. Slightly mix it para matunaw yung margarine or butter na nilagay ninyo. In a medium heat, guys, para di talaga siya ma-overcook. Ayan. Mas dapat guys, na prepare ninyo una yung barbecue sauce with chicken the day before. So siya guys. So hanggang na mawala-wala na muna yung butter natin, then it's fine. Ayan, it's right. Ayan, mix na tayo ng kaunti. Then, let's turn it off. At naman, babalikan na natin yung ating ginawang potatoes. So, eto na yung naset aside na natin na potatoes, guys. And it's already tender. At juicy na siya inside. I'm also going to add a little bit of onion for the garnish. Parang ganito lang siya na form. Ayan. Parang rainbow. Mga rainbow natin dyan. Ayan. Tapos lalagyan lang natin siya na safe place right there. Tapos,
Okay, so here are the potatoes. So now let's go and put on the mashed potatoes inside. One by one, slightly. Use another spoon just to fill it up a little bit. And another one. Now next is our barbecue sauce with chicken shreds. And this is one of my favorite ingredients. So we're gonna put it on the top. Just a little bit right there. Ooh, ouch, ouch. I forgot. Ganit pa pala to. Ayan. On these sides. And then after that, lalagay tayo ng cheese and onions. So lalagay natin yung onions. Randomly. Tapos the cheese on top. And then the finishing touch, guys, is our parsley.
at ayan, here is our Western chicken potatoes with our own mashed potatoes inside. Ayan guys.
So here is our final dish, guys. This is our Western chicken potatoes, our famous Western chicken potatoes, with mashed potatoes on the side. Tapos here is our Western chicken potatoes, garnished by yours truly. Ayan. So ayan guys, we are going to taste our delicious Western chicken potatoes with my own Ayan. So let's try first the chicken Western potatoes. Wow. Yung mga potatoes, masarap siya. At yung crunchiness, love it. Ayan guys. Nagdadala talaga ang lahat ng taste dahil sa ating barbecue sauce with shredded cheese.
At ayun guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video talaga guys kasi I made this video for you naman or for you all para malaman nyo ano ang recipe na ginagamit ko at ano ang dish na gagawin ko. And here is the last one. Ito na yung ating Western chicken potatoes by yours truly. And also you can watch or you can look up to my book which is called The Taste in One Hand Cookbook by yours truly. Nandito yung recipe na ginawa ko at yung plating, di ba? Ang ganda, di ba? So thank you guys for watching and I hope you love this video and I hope you will do this again also. At sabihin nyo rin ako guys kung nagawa nyo rin at gawa kayo ng feedback kung gusto nyo. Ayan, I hope you love this video. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video guys. Bye!